Tutorial: Admin and Standard User View tab. Welcome to our guide on the View tab, designed for admin and standard user roles. Access to all tickets created to date through the All Tickets button. By clicking View Details, you can examine each ticket specifics. Next, explore Resolve Tickets for completed tasks and Open Tickets for active tickets. You can also monitor on-hold tickets and Overdue Tickets for paused and overdue tasks. Lastly, look into SLA Violated Tickets for tasks that have breached SLA agreements. Standard User Login. As a standard user, view only your own tickets in the All Tickets section. In the Resolve Tickets section, view tasks you've completed. In the Open Tickets and On Hold Tickets sections. Finally, explore SLA Violated Tickets to identify tasks breaching SLA agreements. Overview of the View tab functionalities for admin and standard user roles. This tutorial provides a concise, monitor active and pause/overdue tasks.